Hi, I'm John with ExpertVillage.com, and today we're making light switch plate covers. We just removed our light switch plate cover. Now, the reason that a cover is on there is to protect yourself from getting shocked. Okay, so when you take one off, whether you live alone or you have kids in the home, that's the main thing, is kids are in home, they can come and just touch it and they'll get shocked. Now, this house has been made in the last 5 years, so it's got a plate over it. It's got a plate over it, so you won't get shocked. Now, what we need to do is get an older one we used, or anything, a piece of paper to cover it, whatever, construction paper, tape, just cover it up. Someone walks into the room, flicks it on, they get shocked. I started my apprenticeship to be an electrician, and you won't know the crazy stuff that can happen in older homes. So we want to get our old one and stick it on. We're going to do that right now. Alright, we're going to just leave that one screw on there. Unless there's a hurricane, it's not coming off.